कन्फारेन्स आरो फार्स्ट ट्राइबल पिपल्स कनक्लेभनि जि हाबाफारि बे हाबाफारियाव दिनै जोंहा जोबथा बेवहाय जोंहा दिनै अपेन सेसन एबा गेवलां मेल दङ बेवहाय जों हाबाफारि बादियै दिनै जोंनि बे गोथार फिरफिलाखौ जों उरायहोबाय आरो बेजों लोगोसे बर' माहारि फरायसा आफादनि फिरफिलाजों उरायहोनायजों लोगोसे जोंहा गोबां ट्राइबल स्टुडेन्टस दैदेनगिरिफोरनि जोंहा दिनै हाबाफारिनि फ्लेगखौ उरायहोबाय आरो बेवहाय गोथार फिरफिलाखौ दैखांनानै जोंनि बनसुनि एबा ट्राइबल जोंनि फरायसाफोरनि खौसेथिनि देंखोखौ दिनै रोजाबनानै आरो बेजों लोगोसे जोबनायाव जोंहा जोंनि मुंख्लंफोरनो मान बावनानै दिनै बिथांमोननि सेक्रिफाइस आरो बिथांमोननि जि बावसोमनायखौ जों सनमान होनानै जोंनि गोथार फिरफिलानि जि हाबाफारि बे हाबाफारिखौ दिनै फोजोबनाय जाबाय।
All our tribal brothers to honor and development of our tribal society of Southeast India and whole of India. Now I welcome our tribal brothers, our leaders of All Assam Devi Students Union, our leaders of Tripura Students Federation, our leaders of Kasi Students Union, our leaders of Garo Students Union, our leaders of all Tiwa Students Unions, our leaders of all Dimasa Students Unions, and the leaders of Mithila Students Union. On this day, the auspicious and history day, let's all unite together and raise our flag high so that our dreams can fly high and achieve with great honor and dignity. Now we will all have our flag hoisting within a few minutes. Before that, we will sing our national anthem of our National Students Union. After that, we will hoist our respected flags. And after that, we will have a song of our tribal students unity, and after that we will have a great moments to the martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for the Molo people, for the society, and for the tribal community of our society, singing a song of Molo National Students Union anthem. May I invite to sing a song. cooperating us to uplift the downtrodden poor tribal people of India by uniting together. Thank you so much. Now we will have a last program paying homage to the martyrs of Bodos and to the martyrs of our tribal brothers who have sacrificed their lives for the cause of the tribal people of Northeast India and India. Now let's begin our homage.